Everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to post highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Now this technically isn't possible, but I'll give you guys a quick workaround so that you can go ahead and post content onto your Instagram highlights without having to upload a full-fledged story. Now, the best solution that I found for this is to go ahead and open up your Instagram and make sure that you don't have anyone on your close friends list. So you can do this by clicking on the bottom right corner to go into your profile. After this, click on the top right corner to go into your profile. And after this, you can scroll down and see an option where it says close friends. Now, I have selected just one person because I don't care if this person sees or views my story. And now that you've made sure of that, you can go ahead and add something to your story. Now I'll quickly add this post right here from Dude Perfect. I'll click on add to story and make sure you click on the close friends button over here. If you add it to your original story, it can be viewed by anyone that is following you. So once the story has been posted, you can go ahead and open it up, and you will see that the highlight option is available at the bottom right corner. You can even add highlights by going into your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner and clicking on the new button. You will see that I already have a highlight called example. I'll quickly create a new one by clicking on this plus symbol. Once you click on that, it will give you all of these options, and you will see that this is a story that I've posted, and I can go ahead and create a highlight out of it. So yeah, that was the best workaround that I found in order to post highlights on Instagram without actually having to post the story for the whole 24-hour period. If you guys find any other quirky solutions for this, make sure you comment them down below. And yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.